Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to carry more baggage on your Jazeera Airways flight? Here's how to add extra baggage with ease. First of all, check your baggage allowance based on your fare type. Economy passengers can carry up to 30 kg, while business class passengers get up to 60 kg. If you need more, you can purchase extra baggage on the Jazeera Airways website, at airport ticket desks, through the call center, or during check-in. Remember, no single checked bag can exceed 32 kg, and dimensions must stay within 158 centimeter. Carrying food like frozen seafood or meat, make sure it's sealed in a strong ice box with plastic wrapping. And that's it. Travel worry free by adding extra baggage before your flight. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.